the boxing back up in Samoa and make it a great sport of Samoa as it was many years ago. So we are looking at doing some grassroots stuff and really getting behind the schools and the amateurs. So hopefully over the next few years we'll have those pathways for these young kids to come through and obviously represent Samoa at some stage.
I see you've got a traditional Samoan tattoo. Would you consider having the traditional tattoo in the future?
Man, I feel like, it would be an honor to sort of wear it, but I feel like I got to really get more in touch with my culture, you know what I mean? And, you got to deserve that sort of stuff. You got to earn it. And I don't think I've earned it yet, to be honest.
Speaking of the title, would you consider taking a title since you're here?
See, this is a conversation I need to have with my grandparents, they're the people that I sort of really look up to, and, this sort of stuff won't happen without their, okay. So it's out of my hands. If they tell me it's all good, then, I'll do it.
I see you were amongst the Boxing Federation on Saturday. How did it feel to see all the kids, especially the young boxers you have inspired for the future to become just like you?
Yeah, no, it was awesome, mate. Like I said, they've been so welcoming, man, and like Mick said as well, we're really looking to do pathways for these kids. Give them better opportunities. I'm at a point where, I'm able to give back now, and and I feel like it's the best feeling, being like doing well and then being able to help these kids follow their dreams as well. It's amazing, man, and. We're really going to look into, starting sort of scholarships or, ways we can sort of help them and sort of bring them, fights over here and training camps and stuff like that, because there's a lot of potential here. These kids, they have tremendous natural skill, you know what I mean? It comes natural to them, and they just need that pathway or that guidance, and they can go all the way, I'm living proof of it. I trained hard, but, I had the right pathways that got me there as well. And, I feel like these kids can do it as well if they're just given the right opportunities.
A little bit of help goes a long way. So
Yeah.
we are passionate about, giving back. Not only in boxing, but, across the board. So the Samoan people are talented in the arts, in obviously rugby league, rugby union, boxing. I think no matter what Samoans put their mind to, they could really excel. And as Jai said, they just need a little bit of help, and we would love to be a part of that.
So how should we say more, Jai?
Yeah, we already had this discussion, man.
There's more of us.
Like I said, man, I'm still learning, it's a work in progress.
What else do you want to do for the rest of your trip in Samoa?
We got a lot on, man. I think tomorrow we go to Savai'i, so I'm looking forward to that. And just letting my hair down too. Drink some Vailumas and enjoy the trip, man. Just live that Samoan lifestyle.
We actually visited the school this morning, and it was incredible. I think Jai was blown away by the hospitality and the energy in the room with the kids. It was exciting, and we'd love to obviously do our best to get around to the schools and see as many kids as we possibly can. But we'll just see. We do have a busy schedule, but we will obviously try and get to a couple more schools, definitely. Any other questions, guys?
Do we have any more questions from our local media and for this meeting? If not, then
Does anyone want to know what Jai has for breakfast?
photo, an official photo shoot, an official photo, and then I guess that is the wrap up for us today. Unless you guys have any more other questions. So Dili Lover and Jai and his manager as well as Leaves are here for the for coming with us today, and thank you. I know you have a
Thank
very thank you also to all. I know you're busy with everything's going on today. I've available to you. Might also like to thank Jai Opetaia's family over here. Thank you so much for coming today as well. Your presence here.